Huh? What happened? All right, all right. I hear you, bro. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, fuck it, I won't bust it, now I pull out, yeah. Got 2 sticks inside the couch and it's a pull out. Yeah, I'm on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In a Benz, I'm tryna lane switch.
Shit, no cat.
Today, oh, shit, I got my book bag on. Hold on, y'all. Put that right there. Yeah, nah. My bad if I was drawing that intro, y'all. What it on YouTube? It's your boy X in there, bitch, aka Sean in there, bitch, man. Hey, POV drive for y'all for Thanksgiving. I'm saying I just want to let y'all know I'm thankful for y'all. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for all my loved ones. And at a lot of stock for y'all. I'm saying we on the road to 4K. After we hit 4K, we on the road to 100K. You know what I'm saying? After we knock out this 4K, we not on the road to 5K, 6K, 10K. We're not finna do no slow countdowns. After we hit 4K, we're on to 100K. That's where we want to be. That's where the plaque come. That's what we itching for. We want to hit that plaque. We want to stay consistent as possible. My main thing is that plaque, though. I want that plaque, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. I'm gonna give y'all some content, a lot of different content. But for today, it's all gonna come in motion. I want y'all to stay in tune. But it's not about that for this video. I'm gonna give y'all a Thanksgiving point of view drive in a Camaro. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I won't be talking as much. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. And y'all comment down below. Let me know who y'all want to see me prank. I'm saying just say, you know, your cousin. I'm saying a girl, your brothers, anybody. Let me know who y'all want to see me prank. If y'all want to see me prank another YouTuber, let me know. Comment it down below. It don't matter. But let's get into the POV drive. Finna swap the camera in 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. Car a little warm now, though. Got the LED lights at the bottom. Don't mind my ashy legs, y'all. Tire pressure. Put this up here. LEDs, man. But put it in track mode for y'all boys. Hey man, don't mind Striker. I gotta give her a clean. I'll probably give her a clean after this video. But let's get out of this. Go back to info. Gotta get some gas too. Here we go. Let's do it, man. Hold on. Seatbelt on, man. Take a sip of my drink real quick, y'all. One thing, if my camera start tripping, like one of my lenses is cracked. Like one of my camera lenses is cracked. So don't mind that. It may, you know, trip out sometime, but it's all good. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Won't be for too long. Just give y'all a little quick pull. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. I love y'all. And Hope y'all enjoy. Oh, the phone almost flew out my hand. Let me hold it. Let me hold it like this. Breaking a lot of heads. Why are you not doing it? What the hell? Give y'all a quick pull with the window down. Yeah, man, if a lot of y'all didn't know, the only thing I got done to my car is it just got the boiler exhaust on there. Nothing really crazy. Still stock. Like, my plans with this car, I'm gonna fully start modding it up, like, over the winter. So, and coming around like June, I want to say April. I want to say like April to June, car should be good by then. I definitely want to get it. I want to remove the muffler. I don't know if I want to cam it and then get headers. Like, that's definitely on my mind. But I like it like this. I don't like it too obnoxious. Like, I like it obnoxious, but I don't want it too obnoxious at the same time. So I really don't know. But got this car trying to speed up ahead of me and shit. Just gave me the thumbs up. Huh? What happened? All right. I hear you, bro. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh man. He said he gonna race me after the snow, but I'm not ready. He pulled up just to talk shit. He cool though. He cool peoples. But yeah, y'all. This car should be fully modded, you know, by June, July. on my ass. Be riding these bullshit ass board trucks. Just trying to make sure that ain't 12. Nah, that ain't 12. That nigga looking hard as hell though. Oh look, there you go. Yeah, he coming, y'all. Hold on, he coming. Here you go. Hold on. Huh? I got you. I got you. He told me remember his face. Oh man. Other nigga looking and shit. He like, what the hell going on, man? Let me get his little ass a pull. I'ma wait till after this curve come. Behind now. I done made my license plate fly out because I had it in the up here. I think flew. Y'all probably can see it. Yeah, it's over there. I got the windows up. Hopefully everything sounds good. I gotta get my license plate though. It's making a clinking sound because it's next to the door. Hold on. Put that on the floor for right now. Put the windows up. He back next to me, y'all. Oh, here we go. He out of there though. Empire State Express. My bad for the shaking, y'all. It's not me. It's definitely not me, y'all. It's the roads. Like, it's these ungrooved highway roads. So my bad if the camera's shaking a lot, y'all. I promise you it's not me. Yeah, you hear that, you get out the way. I don't blame you, twin. You hear that, you get out the way. Ah, he looking. Well, you hear that, you get out the way. No kinini. Baby, man. Hey, y'all. I don't want to be side by side. I'm in a damn fishbowl. They're going to be looking at me like, what the hell? But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Like I said, I didn't want to make it too long. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want more POV videos, let me know. Comment it down below. If y'all want more pranks or challenge videos, let me know in the comment section below too. It's been boy Ixel. I love y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna give y'all a quick pull under the tunnel. And we out of here, y'all. Love y'all.
I slip my stick in the party. On the block with the gloss, if you play, you get out. We got so many stills out the army. Tryna run this shit up for the guys when they get out. They solid, they turn the farm. I ain't fucking with you, you ain't fucking with me. I ain't speaking on you, why you speaking on me? Lil' Savage, he just call my phone, he asked what I'm on. Lil' bro, what you charge for a fee? 550 want me on the beat. You the bro, then you get one for cheap. Since he want the beat box, we boxing the beat. Tryna give me some M's and move out the hood. But you know me, I'm going back. Got that jazz on the block, one of we like it's crack. We spin the ball block and he ain't spinning back. Bustin', I'm on the block and I'm clutching. Spit through my hood to get ugly. Can't get it, you hit your buddy. Geeking and tripping on man. Ain't no cocking it one in the head. If you run, get put in the bed. Ain't no waking up, little bitch, you dead. I read, sipping on hot tea.